Good day, this is Joe Tompkins for Lendesk and Finmo. Today's video is going to show you how you can use Finmo to notify your payroll department that your deal is ready to have the compliance documents reviewed and checked on. Let's jump into a deal and check out how you do it. All right, so I've set the filters for my funded deals, and I'm going to go to the Johnson & Jones file here. Once I'm in the deal, of course, we have the compliance section. In the compliance section, you would have completed your necessary compliance documents, and you would have generated the documents you want signed for the deal, and you can have them uploaded here. You have your required documents here that you have uploaded items into or automatically transferred them over from anything e-signed. Once the deal is complete and you have all the necessary documents so you can get paid on the deal, simply click on Submit for Review or scroll to the bottom. You can add a note, ready for payroll, check, and then you can click Send the Deal for Compliance Review. The system will let you know if you've missed any of the required documents. Maybe you have uploaded all the documents into one required document list, whatever it is. You simply click Submit the Deal. What will happen now is that anyone who is assigned as a compliance manager within your brokerage will be notified that this deal is ready to be checked. On your deal screen for this deal, if we scroll across, you'll see that it's now marked ready for review. If you click on this, it takes you right to the compliance section where it says ready for review. Now, your compliance manager will get an email that they'll be able to go in and check that deal out. So let's take a quick peek at what it looks like for a compliance manager. I have my compliance review clipboard here. If I go into my deal and I look for Ritu Johnson, there it is. It's marked ready for review. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. The compliance manager gets a simplified view of your deal. They'll see the submission details, the mortgage details, cost of credit details, any fees that have been added, and then they'll see the documents that you have uploaded that you want to have checked. So 2 pieces of ID, they can check on them and review the ID. They can go through each of the attachments here. If the deal is good and everything is signed, initialed, and dated correctly, and everything is there for your payroll department, then they would mark it approved, ready for payment. They also have the ability to mark a deal paid and payment completed when that deal has been paid to you, or they can also mark it rejected and keep a note, say, missing date on disclosure doc, and then submit the response. You will get a response on email, and within the dashboard you'll see it come through here as well. But on the deal you'll see that it has been rejected, and when you go into the compliance section you will see the note from your compliance department about why it was rejected. And then of course you can go to the generate documents or required documents and re-upload the document that you need to have checked again, and then simply down to the bottom and send it back for a payroll check again. That's it. Simple, easy to use. If you have any questions whatsoever about how to use these features, please don't hesitate to hit the chat bubble, talk to our customer support team, and send them a message about your question. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.